It's a vocal warm-up for efficient singing. Hello, my friends!
We're back!
I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube series. Make sure to check out the About section below for resources and updates. So what do I mean by efficient singing? Well, I'm talking about making sure that our instrument is set up in a way that it's working at maximum efficiency with minimum exertion. I'm also talking about making sure that the air is maximized for vibration, meaning that we aren't wasting air with a breathy tone. We want to make sure that we're creating full vocal fold closure, and this will help us with tone and timbre, as well as give us plenty of flexibility for things like perceived breath control and phrase lengths. Let's start today with a few extra dedicated moments to alignment. Whether you're sitting or standing, let's come to a place where the skeleton is stacked and doing its job to keep you upright and aligned, leaving the bulk of our muscles free to do other important things, like control our singing apparatus. Importantly, let's release and align our neck and head, feeling a kind of bobble-headed sort of release. And while you do that, allow your jaw to hang slack. Now, one way we can do a quick head alignment check is to go ahead and stand with your head kind of militantly straight, with kind of an overdone attention position. Now, this is going to introduce a bit of tension, which we're not going to keep. We will release that soon. So we're at this overly high attention position. Now, leaving your head on the same front to back plane, I'd like you just to lift your chin and look up. Really stretch your neck upward, getting a nice stretch here and feeling the height. Now, leaving the back of the neck elongated this time, we can just lower the chin, keeping everything tall and aligned. Then our ears are stacked right on top of the middle of our shoulders. From this position, let's take a slow, natural breath. And sigh down. Keeping the sternum fairly quieted. Keeping this relaxation and alignment, let's move to some semi-occluded vocal tract work, starting on a V sound. We'll sing the following pattern. Let's move to a Z sound, and we will sing Z and go. SOVT work, or semi-occluded vocal tract exercise work, helps balance subglottal and supraglottal pressure, that is the pressure below and above the vocal folds, and allows us to sing freely without strain on the vocal folds. Then we can open this up to an efficient E sound. Let's do this on a glide today. We'll sing me, like this. Me. So we're sliding up and down a fifth, open to the E at the top. Here we go. wanted to tell you that when I first started studying voice, I didn't always understand why I was being asked to sing certain things, especially sounds that weren't always a finished product sort of sound. I'm here to recommend that not all of our vocalizations are going to create finished product sounds that you would put in a performance. We do want to be relaxed and comfortable throughout all of this, however. Be okay with the in-between. We're going to sing now on ming, 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 ming. This is going to allow a tremendous amount of focus and efficiency with the ming, ming. Here we go. Ming, 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 ming. 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 Now let's move into a little bit more movement and openness, carrying the efficiency that we've established so far. Let's flow from an E sound to an A sound on this pattern. E, A. Here we go. E, A. E, A. E, A. E, Relaxing the jaw now, allowing for gentle movement and bringing things down, we're going to sing. Here we go. We'll sing now on a few more vowel sounds. Let's sing on la, le, li, lo, lu. Here's the pattern. La, le, li, lo, lu. Here we go. La, le, li, lo, lu. 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 La, le, li, lo, open up into a full octave arpeggio on mi, bringing this efficiency that we've been working on to a fully open, resonant voice. Here we go. Mi, FYI, if you hit the top note and the bottom note today, you have sung 3 octaves. Nicely done! As always, thank you so much for singing with me today. Leave me a comment, don't forget to like and share this video, and I will see you next time. It's Sven on keys.